Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have a very beautiful story for you. Come, let's go into the story. Once there lived a farmer called Peter. He had two sons. Elder son Jack studied well in his schools and colleges. He got good name from teachers. But younger son was dull-headed who always used to get very low marks in the class. Dad Peter punished the young one for his careless studies. Dad and Mum was pampering the elder son always. Parents always used to give importance to the elder son as he was very intelligent. They both neglected the younger son as he was dull headed. Right from their childhood, this had been happening. Elder son Jack finished his college studies, whereas younger son Sam not even finished his school studies at all. Yes, he discontinued studies due to lack of interest in studies. But younger son had some extra knowledge technically. He did all sorts of manual works without hesitation. Dad Peter had sugarcane farm at north side and wheat field at south side. When he became old, he wanted to hand over his lands to both his sons. Both of them got ready to take care of their lands and start doing agriculture. Dad Peter asked both of them,
My dear sons, I can offer sugarcane field to one person, wheat field to another person. Both the fields are in same amount of acres of land. So you guys decide yourself which field do you like to receive.
Dad, I am an educated person, so I can take sugarcane field which need a small amount of manual work, whereas wheat field need a lot of manual work. As my younger brother Sam is illiterate, he can do everything manually, so offer him wheat field.
Dad accepted his suggestion and handed over sugarcane field to the elder son, wheat field to the younger son. Both of them put hard efforts in their fields. Ploughing, planting, seeding, irrigating had all done neatly in both the fields. At last, harvesting period had arrived. Both of them harvested their crops. Dad was checking out the yields of both of the sons. The yield of wheat was very much higher than the yield of sugarcane. Dad was shocked because he was expecting a good result from his elder son who was educated. Elder son also was disappointed. On that day evening, he came to his dad and said,
Dad, you cheated me. Why did you cheat me, Dad?
What? Me? Cheating you? Have you gone mad?
You had offered me sugarcane field, which gave very low yield. You should have given me wheat field. Why you didn't offer me wheat field, Dad?
Dad was shocked on hearing his words.
My dear son, you only preferred sugarcane field. That was your choice.
I was unknown about agriculture during that time. You must have taught me which one would be suitable for me, but you did not do that, Dad.
Brother, no issues. You just take over my wheat field and give me your sugarcane field. Dad, you need not worry about this problem. From today onwards, I'll take charge of sugarcane field.
Dad became very happy on hearing his younger son's words. Expecting a very high yield in his field, elder son started doing agriculture with wheat. He put hard effort. At last, harvesting period came after certain months. Both the sons harvested their farms. The younger son sugarcane field gave a very higher yield than the elder son's wheat field. They were shocked. The elder son was really fed up with agriculture and carried out his complaint to his dad.
Dad, this shouldn't have happened. This time also I have very low yield. I do not know what is the problem. I hope I am unlucky.
Don't say such things, my dear. The results of our job never depends on luck. It depends on our hard and smart works. I noticed both of your agricultural methods and found out the secret of your brother's success. You plowed the land once, but your brother plowed it twice. You sowed the seeds with machine, but he had done it manually. You irrigated your land once in 2 days, but he irrigated twice a day. You applied certain pesticides and artificial fertilizers to your farm, but he applied natural fertilizers to his farm. So he worked hardly but used some smart works in between. That is why he was giving good yields in all sorts of farms.
Now, the elder brother could understand his mistake. The first mistake he made was he underestimated his younger brother. Even though he was illiterate, he had skills in carrying out some technical methods. Elder son felt sorry for his attitude. He apologized to his younger brother. Dad too realized his mistake and felt sorry for that. Children, I hope you know the moral of the story. The moral of the story is we should not underestimate anybody in this world because everybody has got their own talents. Children, I hope you like this story. If you like the story, tell your parents to subscribe this channel Kids World and share this video. Next time I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.